We all have one thing in common, and that is we all want to lose weight and stay fit and do the exercises, or else we want all our friends to become fat so that we look slim, isn't it? So, let me share with you some important tips for staying fit and strong, and also to lose weight with some kinds of exercises. When people come to us for guidance, there are three kinds of people. Those people who want to lose weight, and first of all, the first kind are those who are already healthy and they want to lose weight and they want to maintain their strength and fitness and endurance. Whereas the second kind of people, those who are overweight, obese, and they don't have any pre-existing health conditions. Third kind of people, those are already having the pre-existing health conditions, but they want to reduce their weight so that they can control those diseases very well. Now, some kinds of exercises are planned for these people individually. So they have their blueprint exercises as per their body conditions, as per their mindset, and the timings available for them. So generally, we all have to start exercises very optimistically, and they usually start it optimistically and enthusiastically. But what happens, slowly they go back to square one. So either they go into a relaxation mode, or they go into a very busy schedule and then they stop doing the exercises, become dropouts from the exercise schedule. Now let me share with you something about anaerobic and aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises, these include all those activities which can be done very easily and which require just moving our body and without any exhaustion. So breathing faster or increasing the blood circulation. So these kinds of things won't happen very fast in the aerobic exercises. So this can be simply walking or bike riding or running or Zumba exercises or dancing freely. All these are the aerobic activities. It's a level of activity that you can maintain for a longer amount of time without much exhaustion. So this usually we prescribe and we give for the senior citizens or those who can't sustain heavy exercises, or for the beginners of the exercise schedule. Now, how to check whether you are in the aerobic level of exercise or not? So this can be done with a simple test, and this test is called as the talk test. So while you are doing that kind of anaerobic exercise or activity, you need to start a conversation. And while you are doing the conversation, you have to check whether you are feeling breathless while doing the activity, aerobic activity, as well as simultaneously talking. So when you are not feeling breathless while you are talking, that means the aerobic activity is well and you are sustaining it. So this means that you are at the aerobic level of exercise, you are okay and you're not breathless. So if your primary concern is weight loss, anaerobic exercise is the best way, but not for those who are the beginners or who have some kind of pre-existing health conditions. So accordingly, we prescribe the aerobic or the anaerobic exercises. So next time, in the next video, I will tell you what is the science behind the aerobic exercise and the anaerobic exercises. Till then, signing off, Dr. Rajeshwari Rapata.